That's why we focus, that's why we recommend all the people to make their brain stronger. Please do pranayama or Nadi Shuddhi pranayama or pranayama, because more oxygen will go inside. That means more pran vayu will go inside. That is very, very beneficial to nourish your brain, to nourish your neurons. One of the simplest technique to do is just do Shambhavi Mahamudra. It is very, very beneficial technique to make your neurons work well. So this is ancient yogic techniques, and we can make use of it. Just give it a try, but make sure you learn from a proper source. Isha Shambhavi Mahamudra is also very beneficial, like which include deep breathing, like breathing to inhalation and exhalation. So these things are extremely beneficial for the health of brain. I am not talking about mind, that is manas. For mind, best work is meditation. It's very, very important that you acquire spiritual knowledge, you acquire awareness. These things work extremely well on manas, that is mind. It's a food for mind. And mind and brain are connected to some extent, so it's very, very important that we take care of the health of both aspects so that both will nourish each other. In addition to that, this brain is also a place of Tarpak Kapha. Tarpak Kapha is sub-dosh of Kapha, which nourishes or our meninges and brains and all the lubrication. And in Ayurveda, to enhance this Tarpak Kapha or to nourish your brain, the simple remedy is eat nuts. How to eat nuts? There I have created a detailed video about how to eat nuts, how to soak them, how to remove the heat from them, and how they are kapha enhancing, and especially they are very beneficial for this tarpak kapha, which is extremely important for your brain. So all kind of nuts. It is not like if I speak about almonds and you say in your country there are no almonds, so our brain will not get enhanced. So it's not true. Whatever nut is there in your country, but make sure you should not be allergic to that nut. So you soak that nut, like 5 to 6 nuts, you just soak it, and just in the morning after fruits you can have these nuts. These nuts are extremely beneficial for the nourishment of your brain. It is almost equal to brain tonic. And if there is a possibility to have walnut, seasonal walnut, every year nature grows walnut and its shape is very much like brain. So all nuts comes in this category, but there is a way to eat nuts. So regarding that, there is a video, you check it out. In addition to that, what are the other things that will be beneficial to make your brain work well? That is, involve yourself in any work, whatever you like in your hobby, like arts, where you can express yourself. So these things are very beneficial for the functioning of your brain. In addition to that, it's very important that you spend some time to do exercise or running or walking. All these things are also extremely beneficial to nourish your brain. In addition to that, you can include raisins in your diet, because raisins are very, very beneficial. It's a kind of brain tonic, and you can make use of it. And regarding raisins, there is a link in the description box below. You can click that link and you can make use of it. In addition to that, in Ayurveda, there is a wide variety of rasayanas that are medhya rasayanas, like Brahmi. So you can have 2-3 leaves of Brahmi in the morning. It's very beneficial. It's extremely good medhya rasayana, or the tonic for brain. And it is, the botanical name for this is Bacopa manorai. So it's written below, you can read it. So you can read about more about this plant, and 2-3 leaves of this plant. It is also called Manduk Parni in Ayurveda, and you can use 3 leaves of it and as a salad. It is extremely nourishing brain tonic. It will improve your memory loss, it will enhance the functioning of your brain, general day-to-day activity. And if you're going through extreme stress and strain, this will also relax your mind. So these 3 leaves per day you can have, because excess of leaves can cause loose motions. So it's very, very important. Don't take more than 3 leaves. It's enough for a person. In addition to that, in Ayurveda, there is a concept of Nasya that is also very good brain tonic, Pratimarsh Nasya, but that you can take only under the guidance of some Ayurveda doctor. In addition to that, there are various kind of rasayanas that are available in Ayurveda that are called Medhya rasayanas, but that is also you can take under the guidance of Ayurveda doctor, because various people have different kind of prakriti and the body constitution. So you cannot recommend single medicine to everyone. So you need Ayurveda consultation for that. In addition to that, you can have milk of black cow, and that should be well nourished cow, well taken care of, because in Ayurveda it's been said, if you taking milk from the black cow, it contains gold element in it, which is extremely beneficial for the nourishment of your brain. That's why in India, when child is small, they give cow milk to him, especially black cow, milk from black cow. So, or not hybrid cow, like not the cow that has original genes. So that kind of cow that makes your brain extremely well. In addition to that, those people who are having proper nutrients for the body, ultimately your brain will also get nourished. At the same time, please have your dinners and have your food. Try to have it on time, so that body will be well nourished, and if body will be well nourished, your brain will get automatically nourished. But these are certain things which you need to take care of, in which includes yoga, which is very beneficial for the health of your brain and the body and the nervous system. So try doing Upa Yoga. If you want to know more about Upa Yoga, there is a link in the description box below. You can click that link and you can know more about it, or you can write down to us. We will let you know how to do it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you will like this video and you will start taking care of your brain along with mind, along with body. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching me for the first time, there's a bell icon, there's a subscription button. You can click the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. And if you want to have Ayurveda consultation, please write down to us. If you want to ask certain question, please write down to us. We will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye. And don't forget to share my videos, so that we can spread love and health to everyone. Bye.